Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great?
This piece of wood I found really looked like an animal to me, so I asked my BFF if he could fill it with epoxy, and he did. And so, first round of epoxy, sanded it down. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. I'm curious to know what you guys think, if anyone else sees a particular animal. I think it's kind of obvious, but anyway, it'll have another coat of epoxy, and the fun begins. Let me know what you think.
Daddy's getting high at the body shop, doing something unholy. He sat back while she's dropping it. She be popping it. Yeah, she put it down.
It is delicious. It's good for me. It's a perfect way to start the day.